Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store name. First, you will need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings, and then you will see a list of options. Select Store Details to proceed with updating your store's information. This is the initial step to personalize your brand. Now that you are in the Store Details section, you will easily spot the Store Name field. This is where you will type in your brand new, exciting store name. Take a moment to ensure there are no typos or errors. It is crucial to double-check everything before moving forward. Once you are completely satisfied with your new name, you are ready for the next step in the process. After entering your new store name, remember to click the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. This action applies your changes. Next, it is a good idea to navigate back to your Shopify admin homepage or even visit your live online store. Verify that your new store name is displayed accurately everywhere it should be. This ensures your customers see the correct branding. Keep in mind that changing your store name within Shopify does not automatically alter your domain name. You will need to manage that separately if desired. Also, remember to update your branding across all external platforms, like social media profiles and marketing materials. Finally, consider sending a brief announcement to your customers, letting them know about your exciting new store name. This maintains clear communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.